Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for 3D printer upgrade reviews, thermal enclosure setups, filament print optimization guides, and workshop safety breakdowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an essential upgrade for large format printing, the transparent acrylic dustproof enclosure for the Creality Ender 5 Max 3D printer. For makers, cosplay builders, and print farm operators printing large ABS, ASA, or nylon parts on the Ender 5 Max, open-air ambient drafts are the ultimate enemy. Temperature fluctuations cause corner lifting, layer delamination, and warped prints. This dedicated acrylic enclosure solves those environmental issues completely. At the core of the upgrade are thick high-clarity acrylic sheets custom-sized to fit the massive footprint of the Ender 5 Max frame. Offering crystal-clear 360-degree visibility, you can monitor long multi-day prints and check first-layer adhesion from any angle without disturbing the interior thermal chamber. Thermal management is dramatically improved once the printer is sealed inside. By capturing heat emitted from the 1000-watt heat bed, the enclosure maintains a warm, stable internal ambient temperature, preventing rapid plastic cooling and ensuring strong layer bonding across massive 400mm print spans. In addition to temperature control, acoustic isolation is a major benefit. The rigid acrylic panels act as a sound barrier, dampening stepper motor vibration, high-velocity cooling fan noise, and linear rail motion sound, creating a much quieter workshop or office environment. Cleanliness and component longevity are also enhanced. By completely sealing the Ender 5 Max from ambient room conditions, it prevents dust, pet hair, and workshop debris from sticking to greased Z-axis lead screws, linear bearings, or freshly deposited molten plastic layers. Safety and air quality are improved for indoor printing. The enclosed environment contains ultrafine particles and volatile organic compounds produced when printing materials like ABS, keeping fumes trapped so they can be safely filtered or vented away from your living space. Featuring clear acrylic construction, passive constant temperature heat retention, noise dampening, dust protection, and VOC fume containment, this transparent enclosure turns the Ender 5 Max into an enclosed production powerhouse. If you enjoyed this Ender 5 Max acrylic enclosure review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Do you enclose your large format 3D printers or run them open air?